Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Style with Nivedita. I hope you all are good and I'm back again with another top haul. All the tops are from Meesho and all the tops are under 200 or maybe under 250. तो ज़्यादा बात करके time waste नहीं करते हैं and let's start the haul. So the first one is this top, and you can see this top. This top is so beautiful, so Pinterest, is so cute. It's floral and I love floral prints, and it has beautiful flower prints on the whole top, and the top is giving such a cute vibe, feminine vibe, soft vibe. I can style this top for vacation in summers and outing वगैरह के लिए, dining वगैरह के लिए भी हम लोग जा सकते हैं, like style कर सकते हैं विद डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ बॉटम्स. मुझे ये बहुत ज़्यादा ही अच्छा लगा. इट्स ऑफ लाइट ब्लू कलर एंड वी हैव डार्क blue color flower prints on the whole top, and it's a halter neck. It's regular length, and the fabric is like a fabric, and yes, it's very soft and comfortable. गर्मियों के लिए भी I think perfect होगा, because now when I'm wearing the top I'm feeling very comfortable. अभी बहुत ज़्यादा गर्मी भी है, but I'm still feeling very comfortable with the material. तो I think material भी summers के लिए बहुत अच्छा होगा, जो like a fabric है. The sizes available are from extra small to large. I got extra small size. Fitting बहुत ज़्यादा ही perfect है. The cut of the neck perfect length तक है, जितना तक मैं comfortable हूँ. It's not that deep and it's not till so much above also. तो मुझे अच्छा लगा whole and yeah, because it's halter neck from back it will be little backless. So yeah, overall तो मुझे top बहुत ज़्यादा ही अच्छा लगा. The price of this is 200 and with discount I got it just 176. 176 for this top is just so perfect, because I can style this dress in different ways for vacations also, summers के लिए भी कहीं पे भी मैं इसको style कर सकती हूँ. Material बहुत अच्छा है, fitting बढ़िया दे रहा है. So I think 176 is just so perfect for this dress, and you should also go for this beautiful dress. Sorry, beautiful top. So the next one is this top, and this top is also very beautiful, very cute and very Pinterest at the same time. ये टॉप भी मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा ही अच्छा लगा. It's of aqua blue color and it's sleeveless. The neck is little bit of V-neck type. The length is of regular length, and we have beautiful lace attached on the top, and for that reason it's giving very much of a feminine vibe, cute vibe. Laces वैसे भी बहुत ज़्यादा soft vibe देता है, and I love the overall lace detailing in the top, जो बहुत ज़्यादा ही अच्छा है. It's of cotton blend fabric and it's very lightweight, very soft and very comfortable. तो गर्मियों के लिए तो it's very perfect, बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा होगा. And the color is also so good कि गर्म summers में अच्छा भी लगेगा, soft लगेगा ज़्यादा. तो आई थिंक वेकेशंस के लिए भी हम लोग इसको स्टाइल कर सकते हैं. डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ बॉटम्स के साथ डिफरेंट ओकेजन्स, लाइक आउटिंग वगैरह के लिए या रेस्टोरेंट्स वगैरह घूमने के लिए भी ये बहुत अच्छा है. आई कैन स्टाइल इन लाइक क्यूट वेज ऑल्सो. तो कैजुअल वेज में भी मैं इसको स्टाइल कर सकती हूँ विद लाइक जीन्स एंड ऑल. तो ओवरऑल तो मुझे टॉप बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा लगा. द साइजेस अवेलेबल आर फ्रॉम स्मॉल टू लार्ज ओनली. आई गॉट स्मॉल साइज एंड या इट्स गिविंग a good fitting, not that perfect body fitting, sorry, body fitting, but good fitting. तो overall मुझे अच्छा लगा. The price of this is 193 and with discount I got it 165. So 165 is just so perfect for this top, क्योंकि material अच्छा है. I can style this top and with different ways, and fitting भी good है, not that perfect but अच्छा है. So I think 165 is totally worth it for this top. So the next one is this top, and you can see this top. This top is also very cute and very stylish at the same time. I can style this top in like cute ways and also in like casual ways. To cute ways में मैं इसको style कर सकती हूँ with like cute bottoms like skirts and all, and casual ways में भी मैं इसको college या office wear वगैरह या फिर casually कहीं पे shopping वगैरह के लिए जाने के लिए भी मैं इसको style कर सकती हूँ, and vacations वगैरह पे भी मैं इसको style कर सकती हूँ. Like, so it's so perfect. I really love the top very much. It's of yellow color and we have beautiful one cartoon print on the top, which is looking very good. The length is of regular length. It's sleeveless and the neck is round neck. The fabric is like a fabric, and yet the fabric is very good. It's very soft and comfortable. It's very lightweight also, and गर्मियों के लिए भी perfect है ये. And the sizes available are from extra small to large. I got extra small size, and you can see the fitting. It's fitting very perfectly, and there were so many color options for this top, like black, white, red, maroon, green, blue. बहुत सारे color options थे. I got this color. तो आपको जो भी color पसंद है, you can go for that also. The price of this is 209, and with discount I got at just 181. So 181 I would say is perfect for this top because fitting बहुत बढ़िया है, material अच्छा है. I can style this top in like casual ways also and cute ways also. तो जैसे आपको पसंद है वैसे आप इसको style कर सकती हो. So I think 181 is just so perfect, and there were so many color options also. So you should definitely go for this top with whichever color you like. So the next one is this top, and I love this top also very much. This is also giving me such a cute vibe, soft vibe, Pinteresty vibe at the same time because of the color. You can say it's baby pink color, and ये color बहुत ज़्यादा cute लगता है, बहुत ज़्यादा soft, Pinteresty vibe देता है. So because of the color, it's looking very Pinteresty and very cute. And it's a halter neck and it's a regular length. The fabric is like a fabric, and yeah, it's very very soft and comfortable. बहुत ज़्यादा ही comfortable feel कर रही हूँ मैं. गर्मियों के लिए भी बहुत ज़्यादा ही अच्छा है ये टॉप. एंड या बिकॉज ऑफ halter neck it will be backless. एंड इसके भी बहुत सारे कलर ऑप्शंस थे, लाइक ब्लैक थे, मैरून, ब्राउन एंड लेवेंडर कलर के थे. So all were very cute colors, so you can go for whichever color you like. I like this color very much and it came also very Pinteresty. मैं इसको cute outfits create कर सकती हूँ with different types of cute bottoms like skirts and all. तो it will, I can create so many cute outfits. The sizes available for this top are from small to large. I got small size, and yeah, it's giving a good fitting. Like not the perfect fitting like the first halter top जो मैंने दिखाया था वो बहुत perfect fitting का था. तो it's little bit messy type. So it's giving a good fitting, but क्योंकि ये एक्स्ट्रा स्मॉल नहीं है, मैं एक्स्ट्रा स्मॉल ही पहनती हूँ. So it's small, that's why it's little loose, not loose also you can say, but it's giving a good fitting but not that body hugging one. And the price of this is 169, and with discount I got it just 131. Like 131 for this top is such अमेजिंग प्राइस, क्योंकि बहुत ज़्यादा ही पिंटरेस्ट है, बहुत ज़्यादा ही क्यूट है, मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा ही अच्छा लगा. फिटिंग इज ऑल्सो गुड, मटेरियल भी बहुत ज़्यादा ही अच्छा है जो लाइका फैब्रिक है. I said it's very good, comfortable, and so I think 131 is just wow for this top. So for the next top, first I would like to show the top that I ordered. So this was the top that I ordered. You can see it's a white top and it has black color, lining on the top. But I received the top in like two pieces. So I got one black inner and I got one white inner. I don't know why they gave me two different inners. So it's not top also, it's basically inner. So yeah, inner वगैरह तो अच्छा है क्योंकि inner I we need in different to ways to stand like shirts वगैरह के साथ layering करके. But I already have it's like this, and this is the black one and white one मैं पहन भी नहीं सकती. जब मैं videos में पहन रही हूँ तो I'm wearing something inside, तो इसके लिए इतना पता नहीं चल रहा है, but it's very very transparent, so I don't want to wear it again to be honest. तो बिकॉज मैं कुछ अंदर पहन रही हूँ, आई वॉज फीलिंग वेरी इवन अनकम्फर्टेबल while in the video. तो I think waste of money. I got this, the price was 120 of this top, and with discount I got 101. Like okay, 101, but still it's like a waste of money क्योंकि ये white वाला तो बहुत ज़्यादा ट्रांसपेरेंट है एंड ब्लैक तो मेरे पास ऑलरेडी है. सो या आई हैव टू रिटर्न इट. So these were some tops that I got from Meesho this time. मुझे चार टॉप्स तो बहुत ज़्यादा ही अच्छे लगे. वन टॉप आई एम वेरी डिसअपॉइंटेड विच दे गिव डिफरेंट कम्प्लीटली डिफरेंट प्रोडक्ट लाइक. सो उसके लिए तो मैं बहुत ज़्यादा डिसअपॉइंटेड हूँ, बट बाकी टॉप्स मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा ही अच्छे लगे. एंड अगर आपको कोई भी टॉप अच्छा लगा देन आई गिव द लिंक्स इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन. यू कैन क्लिक ऑन द लिंक एंड यू कैन गेट विच एवर टॉप यू लाइक. एंड अगर आपको हॉल वीडियोस पसंद है देन डू सब्सक्राइब माई चैनल बिकॉज आई विल बी कमिंग विद मोर एंड मोर हॉल वीडियोस. एंड डू लाइक एंड कॉमेंट ऑन माई वीडियो. For now, I'll say bye bye, guys. Meet you in the next video. Bye bye.